about a year ago, YouTube user, go for it, suggested to us that we get an Oxygenix shower head. Took us a while, but we're finally doing it. So I've turned off our water. All I have to do is attach this where ours is, and we should be good to go. So should be a fairly easy install. Like other reviewers have said, the hose is a little cheesy. If you could see it, it looks like it's coiled so that it bends easily, but it's not. It smells like strong plastic. It does.
Oh my word, I didn't realize.
Yeah, smell it.
Yeah.
Strong plastic, and it will take weeks before it loses its bent up from packaging shape. But I'm pretty sure this is going to fit. It came with a handle to go on the wall, but I'm pretty sure this is going to fit into the existing one. So I'm probably going to save this in case that one comes down in the future sometimes. Okay, here it goes. So here's our existing shower head. It's just a cheesy little one that came with it. It goes on and off right here so that you can take your Navy shower pretty easy. Just turn the water on, soap up, turn it off. So you can see that's a huge difference. It's going to be night and day.
Is the water volume the same?
Well, that's a good question, Steve. Why don't you look that up?
Here, hold this. I'll look. Somewhere on here it tells you, I think, how many gallons per minute.
This one, big one, says 1.8 gallons per minute on the new one.
Okay.
Okay, but I don't have enough hands.
All right.
And this one says 9.5 liters. So this one says 6.8 liters. And the little one is 9.5 liters. So it's going to be almost 3 liters per minute lower. But it's supposed to be better because it adds oxygen into it. And like, we didn't have this one, but we had something similar. We switched all our home faucets out, and we noticed no difference whatsoever with the reduced water capacity because of it adding the oxygen or whatever it does. So this is where our original one goes. I hooked this up, and it looks like this can fit here. So
It's pretty tall.
it's really tall, and it's not really adjustable. This is the holder that it comes with. Of course, there's another screw hole behind here, and of course they don't line up. So I would be putting a new hole into our shower wall, which doesn't really excite me. But the advantage of this is that it is adjustable, so you can move this all around. Personally, I don't usually use the shower when it's up here. I mostly just take it down, get my hair wet, get me wet. So for me, it's not a big deal. I don't know about for you. We'll give it a try and
Here,
see.
let me try.
Wait, okay, now.
I actually do use the adjustables thing on there a little bit.
So you want to switch it out?
It's not gonna. Yeah, I don't know that it matters a lot to me.
Is it going to hit the ceiling?
It's on the ceiling, yeah.
No, it's the water. I don't care if the thing is.
No, I don't think so. That's fine. Do you want to stand here and not turn it on? Yeah. Oh, it's like the on-off.
Yeah, on-off switch behind it. And then you can switch how much water, or the type of water flow from there.
Oh, we're so fancy.
Yeah.
Wow.
So,
This is so cheesy.
it's really cheesy. So I think what we have decided, so this is kind of smelly and it's not very bendy. So we are going to take this one off. Put this one on. And then it is a little lower and it's a little bit more adjustable. You could put it in the back or you could put it in the front, so it's a little more adjustable. So, I think for right now, my project is finished.
Nice.
What do you think? I
Well-
think we could give it a try like this.
Yeah, keep all the spare parts.
Well, yeah, I'll keep all of this in case something happens and we don't like this, or we could easily just switch it out at any time. I'll keep the hose, and we could easily switch it out at any time. But it just seems easier than messing with all of it.
Welcome to the shower. It's the test of our new shower head. We'll see how it works when we take a shower. So let's take a shower and welcome. You know, this is why we like the bump out in the bathroom, because it's actually tall enough that I can stand up in it. Welcome to post shower. So I'm gonna say I really kind of like this shower head. What I noticed though, there's a lot more pressure coming out, so the water is going like everywhere in here. With the older shower head that came with the system, water stayed fairly low. Right now, partially it's cold outside, so we have condensation happening, but we've got water just everywhere in here. So that is different. But overall, I like the pressure. There's, I don't know, 4 or 5 different like spray patterns you can do. I'm gonna call this one a win.